What if the Middle East's most important stabilizing force right now isn't a military alliance, but Pakistan's diplomacy? Because while the Iran-Israel conflict continues to expand, one country has remained largely insulated from direct escalation: Saudi Arabia. And that is not coincidence. That is deterrence in action, shaped by the Saudi-Pakistan Strategic Mutual Defense Agreement and strengthened by Pakistan's unique diplomatic reach. The ongoing conflict is now validating SMDA's deterrence value in real time.
So they hit Qatar, UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait. Nobody expected that.
And yet the president says nobody knew. And my question is, did you tell him?
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! They weren't supposed to go after all these other countries in the Middle East.
What began as a bilateral defense understanding is quietly evolving into a broader regional stability framework, reinforced by Pakistan's ability to engage across competing blocs.
Are you surprised that nobody briefed you ahead of time that that might be their retaliation?
Nobody, no.
And the most striking part, this deterrence is working without a single troop movement. Pakistan's diplomatic signaling has reinforced a clear strategic reality: any escalation involving Saudi Arabia.
Unexpectedly, they started sending missiles to UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, and elsewhere. And nobody thought they were going to... Were you equally surprised by that, Pete?
Would widen the conflict's consequences. That message alone raises the cost of expansion. And despite rising tensions across the region, Saudi Arabia remains outside direct confrontation. This is deterrence at its most effective, stopping escalation before it begins. But SMDA's strength lies in something deeper: layered deterrence. Military deterrence expands the cost of threats. Diplomatic deterrence protects mediation channels. Strategic deterrence raises the risks of wider regional instability. It is transforming SMDA into a stabilizing deterrence architecture, raising the cost of escalation, preserving diplomatic pathways, and strengthening regional stability. SMDA is no longer just a bilateral pact. It is quietly emerging as one of the Middle East's most important stabilizing forces, and Pakistan is at the center of that shift.